Hi guys, Colin here, and today we're going to be going over a beginner's tutorial for Repl.it, part 1. And so we'll get started on how to log in, how to set Repl.it up, and all that fun jazz. So let's get started. So we begin by typing the website for Repl.it, which is very simple. It's repl.it. And once you get here, you should see this page here, and you can just click on this button here that says Start Coding, and it brings you to this page where you can either log in by Google, GitHub, or Facebook. I choose Facebook because it's easiest for me. You choose whatever you deem fit to log in, and it'll take you to this home page here where you can create whatever language you want. Here's my recent files, GitHub repo, trending comments, and once you get to use this more, you'll get to understand more how this works. But let's go with create. Let's click Python, just an example. Let's type in test as the title, and let's click the Repl.it. Let's wait for that to load up. And once you're in here, it'll give you this. You should see this page where it shows you where to type in your code, and this is the console where the output of your code shows up. The sidebar here basically shows you your files. Basically, we just have one file, a main.py, version control, packages, settings, and database and unit tests. And so let's go with the examples here. So it obviously gives you some very basic examples to go by. The most popular one is probably Hello World here. And once we drop that in, as you can see, certain text is highlighted. The print function is in about a yellow, and the string here is in orange. So if we hover over that the print and just give it a minute, here we go, and we can see the definition or what this function does. So basically it prints the values to a stream. And so yeah, it just basically tells you what the function does. And this probably won't give you an explanation, but this is basically a string, so it's just highlighting in orange. You can control this color highlighting, text highlighting I should say, through this settings menu here. It's under code intelligence, and if we go over the information button here, it says yes, code intelligence gives you autocomplete basically, and you can turn that off if you don't like it, but I recommend that you keep it on. So when you run print hello world, this is what you should get. And so the second thing that I think beginners should be aware of is that you can have other people code with you. And we're going to do a quick example here, so I'm just going to duplicate this tab. And I don't know if you can see it here. You just saw that, hopefully. Yes, you can see, let's just type. You can see that this cursor is blinking green. That means that I'm in it, and that other people can edit your text as well. So basically, if you're, long story short, that you're stuck on a problem, right, and you don't know what to do, you can always invite someone that's more experienced to take a look at your code and help you out. And this is one of the main features in Repl.it, which I think it would be really useful in that situation. And this concludes my tutorial on Repl.it for beginners part 1. If you want to know about the 4 basic data types of Python, please click on this video over here. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.